2020 Kia Sportage with the 2.4 all-wheel drive. I don't think the all-wheel drive part's gonna matter, but this is how you do the oil change. Right here is your oil cap. The vehicle requires a little bit over 5 quarts, I'll look it up in a second, of full synthetic 520 or 530, depending on your location. And you'll have to look that up yourselves because I don't know where y'all live. All right, back to our computer. You can see right here, 2.4 liter engine, 5W20 or 5W30 at just over 5 quarts, 5.07 quarts to be exact. With the vehicle in the air, we're gonna go right over here. And you can see right here, it might be a little bit hard to tell because of the light. There's usually a cover here, but these are all missing its covers. Right in here is your oil filter. And right here is your oil drain plug. The drain plug is a 17 millimeter. The oil has been drained from the drain plug, and make sure that that is snug. Do not walk away, do not answer phone, do not do anything that would distract you from not tightening that drain plug right there. Make sure it's tight. Don't go crazy, don't go crazy on it, but make sure it's tight, okay? Don't need to be dumping your oil out everywhere. All right, right in here is your oil filter. I had to use our oil filter wrench because it's kind of in a messed up spot right here, and it's hard to get a grasp on it with your hand. Just throw that anywhere. Oh my goodness. All right, as I was saying, oh, I forgot what I was saying actually. Anyway, oil filter's right here. We had to use the oil filter wrench to break it loose because it's just in an awkward position. Once you have that loose, make sure your catch can or basin, whatever you want to call it, is ready. And once it's loose to where you can spin it, give it a good spin. And that'll start draining the oil out of it by breaking the seal at the top. And wait for that to stop draining. All right, now that the draining's mostly stopped, go ahead and take this filter out. Make sure you place these upside down in your drain canister so that they can drain. And we always look up right here and we double check to make sure that the O-ring is still on the filter and not at the oil filter housing where it's sealed, because sometimes this O-ring right here for the oil filter will stay stuck to the engine, and then when you thread on the new oil filter, you'll get what's called a double gasket and you will blow oil everywhere, and you don't want that, or at least you shouldn't. All right, installing a new oil filter, we are using the CarQuest R85334. Again, make sure that it's always ready. If you want to grab some old oil and lube up the O-ring before installing, or not if you want to, you should grab some used motor oil and lube up that O-ring before you install it to make sure it has a nice seal. And when you put this down, hand tight. Don't pull out any tools, just nice and hand tight, that's it. Nothing crazy. It's coming back off again in 5,000 miles. You don't need to be breaking anybody's hands, all right? All right, and now we feed the Kia. Nom, 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 nom. All right, after refilling the oil, go ahead and turn this until it clicks. You do have a clicking oil cap on these, so make sure it clicks. 2020 Kia Sportage oil life reset. All right, so from this screen, you're going to want to press your, I'm guessing this is your page button. Go over to settings, scroll down to service intervals, press enter or OK, And when you get to this screen right here, you want to hold the OK button. It'll eventually pop up, reset time and distance, and we're going to click yes. Or we're going to click OK on yes. And there you have it. The oil life has been reset. Don't forget to like and subscribe.